Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're going to be making salty, sweet, butter pecan cookies. Ha-ha! Who needs pie when you can make cookies? You've got the saltiness and the sweetness on top of the cookie dough, which makes these so divine. And also because you're sweet and you're salty, buttery, pecany, vanilla, and sugary. You eat them and enjoy. The first thing that you're going to do, preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Measure 1 1/3 cups of pecan halves. We're going to toast them on a baking sheet, either greased or lined with parchment paper. Place in a single layer. Put them in the oven for 8 to 9 minutes. They should smell very nutty and flavorful and should be darkened just a little bit. Time's up on the pecans. Let's check them out. They've definitely darkened. They smell nice and toasty. Let them cool and then we're going to chop them up for the cookies. Once your pecans have cooled, go ahead and chop them up. Two-thirds cup light brown sugar. 2/3 cup granulated sugar. 8 tablespoons of butter. Half a cup vegetable shortening. Half teaspoon salt. Secret ingredient, half teaspoon espresso powder, which will enhance the flavor. It's optional. 1 teaspoon baking soda. 2 teaspoons vanilla extract or vanilla paste. Another secret ingredient, 1 teaspoon vinegar, either apple cider or white. This will enhance the cookies. Check out my chocolate chip recipe. Beat until smooth. Beat in 1 egg until smooth. Mix in 2/3 cup of all-purpose flour. If you've liked what you've seen so far, don't forget to click the like button, that thumbs up, and subscribe. It really helps me out. I appreciate it. Mix in 1 1/3 cups of butterscotch chips. Yes. Add the toasted pecans. Yum. This is crucial. Are you going to put your cookie dough in the refrigerator overnight? What a fantastic idea, because it'll make your cookies more caramelly. The flour will absorb all of the liquids from the shortening and from the butter, and it will be uber delicious. It will also make for a fluffier, thicker cookie. Or are you just going to put it in the refrigerator for half an hour, which is okay too? The choice is yours. I'm putting my cookie dough in the refrigerator for an hour or 2, simply because I just can't wait. They smell delicious. The cookies are nice and cold. They just came out of the refrigerator. They were in there for a couple of hours. Again, the longer you keep them in the refrigerator, the better. Mix 1/3 cup sugar with 1 to 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt for the topping. This is optional, but sweet and salty is always a good thing. You want to have your cookies in a 1.5 to 1.25 inch balls. This is about 1 3/4, so I will be just shy of this scoop. And then we're going to dip it in the topping and then onto the cookie sheet 2 inches apart. Into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes, depending on how long you have them in the refrigerator. They should be a chestnut brown on the edges and a light golden brown on top. They look done. Let's take them out. Let them cool on the pan, and then we're gonna try one. Oh my, oh my, oh my, did I make a lot of delicious cookies. 33, in fact. Let's try one. Inspection time, my favorite part. The outside is a nice chestnut color. The top is golden brown. You can see the pecan pieces and some of the butterscotch chips throughout. And the bottom cooked quite nicely. Let's break it apart. Ooh, look at that. I can tell it's going to be crispy and chewy. Let's taste it. This piece looks like a perfect little break-off piece. Wow, wow, seriously, kapow, wow, wow, oh my. This is definitely like a pecan pie in cookie form, but better. It is crispy on the outside, it is chewy on the inside. Oh my, it is buttery, it is sweet and salty with that coating that we did on the outside. The butterscotch adds the richness. And that espresso powder made a big difference in the depth of the cookie itself. This is utterly delicious cookie. It is so good. If I can do this, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share with your family and friends, make the cookies, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and more. Go in for more cookies.